Do women fart?
Yeah, it's a natural thing, so yeah.
Girls look cute when they fart, like, you know, the expression on their face.
You know, when they're
it's
sitting
like,
and then...
yeah, it's like they try to adjust.
I have never heard a woman fart. I have never smelt a woman's fart. They fart like Chanel perfumes or what?
I have an answer for that. G-string.
Oh, G-string like makes it silent or what?
I think so.
Don't give me images in my head.
Who decided this and who said this? It's not like that.
पता क्यों नहीं चलता? What are they fucking Sherlock Holmes of farting?
यार सारी भी तो पहनी होती है, 10 चीजें पहनी होती है, उसके अच्छी जाता है। तूफान थोड़े आता है यार, हल्के में करते निकल जाते हैं।
आपने किसी औरत को फार्ट करते हुए सुना है?
हाँ।
हाँ।
My mom won. She wins it, yeah. There's no one better than her at that.
हाँ जी, मूली के पराठे बने हैं।
We're just very good at it, I guess.
Like good at farting?
Good at hiding it.
Look who we found. The guy from Holy Shit. Sikandar is here with us. तो ये लड़कियाँ फाट नहीं करती ना?
लड़कियाँ जो है ना, ये बांधने के टाइम बड़ी समझदारी से काम करती हैं। फिर मैंने रजनीत का हाँ and then they have this communication, मतलब तू भी पादेगी मैं भी पादूंगी, हंस देते हैं जोर से, किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा।
हाँ, क्या कह रही थी?
मैं कह रही थी कि
sorry. How do you hide a fart if publicly you do it?
I don't fart publicly.
So you hold on?
It doesn't come to me that way. I mean, it doesn't.
Oh, so your farts are conscious enough. So the farts have their own thoughts. बाहर जा रही है ये?
No,
मैं नहीं आऊँगा, ठीक है?
You can either talk loudly when it's happening.
If she talks loudly now. Did you just realize I farted?
No.
They do it for sure, but we just can't hear it because they do it like compressed, I guess, right?
Is it CNG?
It is for women.
Compressed natural gas.
Yeah.
Next time रिक्शे वालों, तुमने CNG भरवाना हो. वो पादुकोणी. यार उसका नाम दीपिका पादुकोणी क्यों है? वो कोने में जाके पाती है.
डैडी है ना, वो साइड पे जाके पाद रहे होंगे जब बच्ची पैदा हो रही होगी। ये आ गया बच्चा आ गया, बाप का बाप पादुकोणी।
How many times do you fart in a day?
10 would be like, yeah.
That means like 50. You've said it 5 times.
Farting is healthy. If you do Pawan Muktasan, then it will clear you all the stomach.
There is a asan called pond.
Pawan Muktasan.
Pawan Muktasan.
Hello.
Oh, let me tell you a secret.
Okay.
I need to know how is a fart generated.
It's just a gas in the body which releases by one of the openings in our body. Simple.
What if that opening was closed? Imagine. It's a natural process of generating a fart.
There are pipelines, all right? There are like 5 to 6 pipelines which go down your ass, and then after that your body decides what type of fart it is, and then releases O2, CO2, NO2,
SO4.
SO4, sulfate. Yeah.
I think there's a dry fart, wet fart. 2 types of farts. That's it. What do you know, man?
Do you come to know when the gas is in that area whether it's going to be a smelly one or a loud one?
I know. थोड़ी सी ज्यादा हलचल होगी तो लाउड होगा, नॉन स्मेली होगा।
और अगर कम हलचल होगी तो?
कम हलचल होगी तो सामने वाले हलचल में आ जाएंगे ना।
If you fart in a group of 6 people, would you ever say, okay, I farted?
No, I'll blame it on him. He's a farter basically. Yeah. We call him the farter.
That's why we are at Farter Road. While having sex in the bed, the woman farts.
I think...
Lose what?
Lose what?
The erection.
On the first date, if the guy farts.
No.
No क्या? अरे कर दिया?
No, I'll not meet him again. Like, that's not acceptable.
ये होता है exclusive talent जो कि सिर्फ being Indian के पास है. साहिल खट्टर. हाथ से पा देंगी. आजा आजा राजा बैंड बाजा लेके आजा तेरी याद सताए दूल्हे राजा. खत्म हो गया.